Hello everyone, welcome to the Best of IPM series. I am Jaimin Shah and this particular question is from IPMAT 2020 QA short answer section. Try this question and then come back for the solution.
Hello everyone. If you like our content and want to experience the IMS pedagogy, then join our zero fee prep program that will give you access to concept videos, sectional test and full length mock test and many more for free. To avail this, please click on the link mentioned under the description box below. Happy learning.
So I need to find out the minimum value of the given expression. So if I look at the critical points, so minus 2, 3 and 5. Now what we can do is we can find out the value at for each region, first, second, third and fourth region and see where do we get the maximum, the minimum value. But remember this rule guys, if there are odd number of mods, then the minimum will always happen at the middlemost value and the minimum value will be this distance, that is equal to 7 and hence the answer is 7. So if there are 3 mod, that's straightforward. But what if there are not 3 mod, there are 5 mod or a 7 mod, what you should be doing? So let's say we have minus 5, we have minus 2, I have 3, we have 5 and then we have 10. So the minimum will occur here, the middlemost critical point. The minimum value will be from minus 5 to plus 10, that is 15, plus this value, that is 7. So in that case, your answer will be 15 plus 7, 22, as easy as that. You do not waste your time in plugging in the values and then getting the answer, guys. Right? If there are 7 mods, you again take the extreme 2 critical point distance, then you keep on moving inside and addition of all the mods, addition of all the distance will be your minimum distance. So here is a replica question. I want you to solve the question, type your answer in the comment box and then we will get back to you with the correct answer.